Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Did your iPhone get stuck during a restore? Maybe iTunes or Finder suddenly popped up a restore failed message, and now your phone is frozen on the Apple logo or recovery mode screen. Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly, even if iTunes can't help. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down. Then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This can get your iPhone out of a temporary stuck state. Method 2. Update iTunes or Finder. Make sure you're using the latest version on your computer. Older versions may not recognize your device properly. Then try restoring your iPhone again. In the meantime, make sure your USB cable is an original one. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most common causes of failed restores. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. If none of these work, it's time for a deeper fix. This software can fix more than 150 iOS system issues, including restore failures, stuck Apple logo, recovery mode loop, and more. Just connect your iPhone and select iOS system repair and press the start button. Then choose standard repair. This mode will not cause your data to be lost. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct and then press the download button to download the firmware package. Once downloaded, click the repair button and wait for the recovery process to complete. In a few minutes, your device will reboot normally. No more restore failed errors, no data loss, no frustration. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.